Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Hmm. Please tell others to join fast. We are starting. So, today we'll discuss the design procedure of clamp or compression coupling or the split muff coupling. In the last lecture, we have discussed the design procedure for muff coupling. Now, the muff, in this case, the muff is splitted into two parts. ठीक है, मफ को जो है हम क्या करते हैं, दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट कर लेते हैं. द रीजन इज कि कई बार शाफ्ट की लेंथ ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा हो, इफ द शाफ्ट लेंथ इज मोर एंड इट इज नॉट कन्वीनियंट टू प्लेस द मफ. ठीक है ना, सिंस मफ इज नथिंग बट अ पीस ऑफ अ hollow shaft. So when it is not comfortable to place the muff and to insert the two shafts, so then sometimes there is a another type of कपलिंग विच इज यूज, दैट इज स्प्लिट मफ. कि मफ को हम क्या करते हैं, दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट करके हम उसको यूज करते हैं कि सो दैट कि जो शाफ्ट का अलाइनमेंट है वो अलाइनमेंट डिस्टर्ब ना हो और वी कैन इजीली कपल्ड द शाफ्ट्स. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि इन दिस केस जो मफ है वो स्प्लिट फॉर्म में रहता है. मींस सेमी सर्कुलर, देयर आर टू सेमी सर्कुलर पार्ट्स ऑफ मफ कपलिंग. मतलब हमने क्या किया, जो हॉलो शाफ्ट थी उसको एक एक्सिस जो है, एक्सिस से प्लेन पास करते हुए कट कर लिया दो हॉल्स में, तो सेमी सर्कुलर दो हॉल्स हो गए. अब उन दोनों हॉल को हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ द नट्स एंड द बोल्ट्स. तो इनका मटेरियल कास्ट आयरन होता है और both the halves are held together by means of mild steel studs. जो studs या bolts हैं और nuts है, वो उसका material mild steel होता है. The number of bolts may be 2, 4 or 6. The nuts are recessed into the bodies of the muff castings. This coupling may be used for heavy duty and moderate speeds. So this coupling can be used for the heavy duty work and the moderate work. The advantage of this coupling is that the position of the shafts need not be changed for assembling or disassembling of the coupling. This is the figure represent one of the split muff coupling. So these are the holes which are there and bolts are inserted through these holes. So this is on the other side. This is one half and this is the other half. So here split muff is there. Shafts, two shafts are placed in a butt position, and then the lower part and the upper part of the muff are placed, and then studs are inserted or bolt are inserted, and then it is tightened with the nut. So the arrangement is this. This is the key way. L is the length of the muff. This is the diameter of the shaft. Capital D is the outer diameter of the muff. So what parts we have to design for the split muff coupling? That is, first is the muff design and the key design. So the procedure of designing the muff and key is same as we discussed in the muff coupling. Key design is same also. Shaft design we also we have discussed the procedure of the shaft design. So the other part which are used in the coupling is the bolts. So we have to design the bolts. So let T represent the torque which is transmitted by the shaft. D is the diameter of the shaft, and dB is the root or effective diameter of the bolt. N is the number of bolts, and sigma T is the permissible tensile stress for the bolt material. Mu is coefficient of friction between the muff and the shaft, and L is the length of the muff. So force exerted by each bolt. Now the force, since the nut is tightened on the bolt, so there is a tensile stress which is acting in the bolt. So bolt are subjected to tensile strength. So and the force is perpendicular to the area of cross section. So the force which is exerted by each bolt is this sigma t, that is stress multiplied by the area of cross section which resists the force. So it is pi by 4 by each bolt. Matlab each bolt is subjected to this force. So force exerted by the bolts on each side of the shaft. So this is the bolt which is subject. This is the force which is subjected by each bolt on each side of the shaft. That is, since two shafts are there. So on one shaft bolts, this is the on one side of the muff, that is on one shaft and muff. This is the force which is exerted on bolt, each bolt. So this is N by 2. Now let P be the pressure on the shaft and the muff surface due to the force. Then for uniform pressure distribution over the surface, since the muff is connected with the bolts and the bolts are tightened, so bolts are subject to tensile force. So therefore there is a pressure which acts between the shaft and the inner side of the muff. So the uniform, we are considering uniform force distribution is there over the surface, and its pressure intensity is denoted by the P. So the P can be defined as force divided by the projected area. So the force is this is the force which is acting. So it is divided by the projected area. So projected area is this. कि जो muff है, उस muff का half length is in the shaft here. So when we project a cylinder, then we get a rectangular area. So this is the L by 2 distance, and this distance is the diameter of the shaft or inner diameter of the muff. So this is the pressure distribution. Now frictional force, since this is the force which is acting normal, क्योंकि ये जो है this is the shaft is there और यहाँ पर ये जो है bolt है, तो the force is acting in this direction, this, ठीक है. So and this is a muff and this is a shaft, and the friction is there between these two, so the friction will be perpendicular to this force. So if this is the frictional force, so this will be mu times of this force. If this force is N, so it will be mu times N. And so since we know this force is pressure into area, so this is pressure P into this area 1 by 2 pi d into L. So mu into this. So it will be written as force is equal to mu times. This is the pressure. This is the pressure. अभी हमने इसको और simplified नहीं किया. And this is the area. यहाँ पर जो ये लगेगा. So on simplifying, we have this: if friction force is equal to mu into pi square by 8 into dv square into sigma t into n, and the torque that can be transmitted by the coupling. So this force is creating a torque. ये जो force है, ये center पे यहाँ पे torque create करेगा. So this is given by the frictional force multiplied by the distance. So distance is d by 2. So it is equal to this relation. और further इसको जब simplify करेंगे तो it will give us this relation: pi square by 16 into mu into dB square into sigma t into n into d. So from this relation, since sigma t is the material permissible tensile stress of the material, and n is the number of bolts, d is the diameter of the shaft, mu is the coefficient of friction. So we'll determine diameter of the bolt from this relation, and t is the torque transmitted. And if we have the diameter of the bolt, if we are using this bolt diameter, then we can calculate this sigma t working and then check with the permissible stress of the material. So this equation is used to determine the bolt diameter. So now there is a problem. Let's solve a problem so that we can understand the design procedure. So you note this problem. So here we have to design a clamp coupling to transmit the 30 kilowatt at 100 RPM, and the shaft and key allowable stresses for the shaft and the key is 40 megapascal, and the number of bolts connecting the two halves are 6 bolts used on it. The permissible tensile stress for the bolt is that number of bolts. For number of bolts, we can refer the design data book, and the minimum bolts are 2. So, and there is a relation number of bolt with respect to the shaft diameter. If the shaft diameter is this, then this number of bolts to be used, and if the shaft diameter is this, then this number of bolts to be used. This is the tensile stress for the bolt material, and the coefficient of friction between the muff and the shaft surface, that is 0.3. So here, let's solve this. Power is given, that is 30 kilowatt. Or 30,000 watt. RPM, 100 RPM. So torque will be 2 pi, sorry, power and torque relation 2 pi nt by 60. So torque is equal to 60 into power upon my 2 pi n. So 60 into 30,000 upon 100 into 2 pi. That will be Newton meter. So calculate this, और इसकी वैल्यू बताओ कितनी आएगी. Here mu is 0.3 and tau shaft, tau key is 40 Newton per mm square. Number of bolts 6. Sigma t for bolt is 70 Newton per mm square. So first calculate this torque, since power and RPM is given. So the first thing is to calculate the torque. So what is the value of this T?
Sir, 2864.78.
2864.78 Newton meter. Okay, so this is the first thing है ना. Now अब क्या क्या what we have to design, then find the shaft diameter. After this determine shaft diameter. So that is pi by 16 tau shaft into d cube. D cube is equal to 16t upon tau s into pi. 16 into 2864.78 into, since this is Newton meter, so this to be multiplied by 100. mm में convert करने के लिए, this is 40, this is pi. So calculate d and tell me the value.
Sir, 364.755 millimeter.
हाँ, क्यूब लिया उसका.
So 19.098.
Yes. Please verify this value. $19 point. Verify. Others may please verify.
Sir, 71.44. Yes, sir, 71.44.
71.4. So this 1971 point, how much? Is okay? 71.22 और कोई या और कोई वैल्यू आ रही है?
Sir, 71.46.
46. Okay, 46. So this is okay now, no? So this is shaft diameter. Now calculate the outer diameter of muff. Any other relation? Tau muff. Is correct. Tau is given for since the muff is cast iron, no? So let's take value from last problem. Here it is given muff is cast iron, eh? So 15 megapascal. So take this value as 15 megapascal since the value is not given. So either we can refer the data book or I am taking for this problem the last problem value ली थी मैं उसकी value ले रहा हूँ. I'm taking the value used in the last problem. So tau muff is 15 megapascal. So 15 Newton d to the power 4 minus this is 71.46 to the power 4 upon capital D. Now tell me the value of this D. Once this is known, then next we'll determine the key dimensions. Key dimensions. So corresponding to the shaft, and then corresponding to that diameter, select suitable cross section, that is W and T. And then considering the two failure mode of key, shearing and the crushing, determine the length. And determine it from these two criteria. Check this with the hub length. teacher. So for the bolt diameter, this is the torque that is equal to into mu into कितना था dB square sigma t nd. dB square sigma t n into d. So here t known है, mu known है, sigma t known है, n is number of bolt known, तो भी 6 है, और dB shaft diameter known है, तो dB निकल जाएगा. So from this relation find out diameter of the bolt. So in the meanwhile, I will take your attendance. Yes, Ashwin Agrawal. Aditya Agrawal. Aditya Bhargav. Aditya Shinde. Advait Singh.
Present, sir.
Aman Ingle.
Present, sir.
Aman Naredi.
Present, sir.
Ananya Jain. Ankita Mishra. Ankita Mishra. Anshita Joshi.
Present, sir.
Anubhav Malviya. Anushka Sharma.
Present, sir.
Apurva Patak. Arisha Khan.
Present, sir.
Bhavya Seth.
Present, sir.
Bhumik Mane.
Present, sir.
Chitransh Pachoria. Devansh Verma.
Present, sir.
Dhruv Bagora.
Present, sir.
Divyanshu Gonekar.
Present, sir.
Divyesh Gangwal.
Present, sir.
Garvesh Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Hardik Jadwani.
Present, sir.
Harshit Shukla. प्रेजेंट सर। हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी, जगत ओहरिया, जय रजवानी,
प्रेजेंट सर।
जय अवस्थी,
प्रेजेंट सर।
जयेश यादव, जितेंद्र डामोर, कुशलवाणी,
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
कुलदीप जगन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
लवकेश जैन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मीनाक्षी चौहान,
प्रेजेंट सर।
मोहित कलमे, नैतिक राज,
Yes, sir.
निखिल जेम्स जॉर्ज, निधि गोस्वामी,
प्रेजेंट सर।
पंकज मालवीय, पीयूष पांडे,
Present, sir.
प्रथम गौड़,
प्रेजेंट सर।
प्रथम शर्मा, प्रथम प्रधान, सॉरी प्रत्युष प्रधान,
प्रेजेंट सर।
प्रियांश बोहरे, पुरुषार्थ सिंह,
प्रेजेंट सर।
रचित चौरसिया,
Present, sir.
राघव पाटीदार,
Present, sir.
रिजुत्ता द्विवेदी,
प्रेजेंट सर।
ऋतिक पाटिल, रिया जैन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
सजल जैन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
सरिका,
प्रेजेंट सर।
शची,
प्रेजेंट सर।
शैल कुमारी,
प्रेजेंट सर।
शुभांशु, सिमरन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
सौरभ,
प्रेजेंट सर।
सूर्यांश,
Present, sir.
स्वराज, तरंग, तिलक पाटीदार,
प्रेजेंट सर।
उमेश सिंगोरिया, उत्कर्ष,
Present, sir.
उत्सव जैन,
प्रेजेंट सर।
विकास सेन,
Present, sir.
विकास सेन प्रेजेंट है ना।
Present, sir.
विनय कथावा,
Present, sir.
विनायक कुशवाहा, विरासत नागेश,
Present, sir.
विवेक कुमार,
Yes, sir.
यश वधावन,
Present, sir.
युवराज सिंह कुशवाहा।
Present, sir.
क्लास मिस मत करना, बहुत
Yes, sir.
लेट ज्वाइन किया। आशुतोष
Yes, sir.
प्रसाद, आयुष शर्मा, राज चंदेले,
सर
निधि
मेरी
सिंह,
प्रेजेंट सर।
राज चंदेले, राकेश अहिरवार,
प्रेजेंट सर।
Seagull.
Present, sir.
एक्सक्यूज मी
Yes.
सर
हाँ,
सर सौरभ चौधरी सर लग गई थी सर अटेंडेंस।
जब नाम लिया तब तुम कहाँ गायब थे भाई?
सर मैंने बोला था सर।
ठीक है।
जी थैंक यू।
यस, बताएं आंसर्स। इट्स अ सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है। Tell me the value of these dimensions.
सर
Hmm?
सर थर्ड में ये जो इक्वेशन बनती है इसे सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं?
You can use calculator, or what you have to do is कि you assume the value of capital D, है ना, उस फार्मूले में पुट करो and try to equate the LHS and the RHS. It's iterative.
सर बस एज्यूम करने वाला एक ही मेथड है?
Or any other method you can, आती हो तो बता दीजिए if you know. Anyone can know any other method? Because this is the basic procedure to solve this. Else you have to convert it into the quadratic and then find out the two roots. The other way is this. क्योंकि d to the power 4 है ना, then इसको क्वाड्रेटिक में कन्वर्ट करके we can find out, that is another way. हम भी उस तरह से फाइंड आउट करते हैं। कैलकुलेटर में फंक्शन होता है तो that function can be used. Any other? किसी ने सॉल्व किया इस इक्वेशन को?
सर 106 आ रहा है।
106, ठीक है। कैसे निकाला?
सर वही क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन।
क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस है, यस। एक तरीका वो है, दूसरा तरीका ये है कि जैसे d हमारा स्मॉल d 71.46 है, ओके। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू कि हम इसको इटरेट करें कब तक, जब तक कि ये RHS और LHS जो है वो बराबर नहीं हो जाते। तो जैसे d है तो ये 71.46 है, तो व्हाट वी विल डू, दिस मतलब जो थिकनेस है, थिकनेस एक जनरल यदि प्रेडिक्शंस लें तो कितनी होनी चाहिए कि जो इनर डायामीटर है उसका इट शुड बी मोर देन 50% ऑफ दिस, है ना। सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद दिस, इससे 50% मोर लेकर हम यहाँ पर उसको पुट करें वैल्यू को। सो मोर देन 2%, तो इसकी हम 100 mm से वी कैन स्टार्ट यहाँ पर। सो 100 mm पुट करें, इसको इवेल्युएट करें, इसको कंपेयर करें, देन इंक्रीज दिस, ठीक है ना। देन यू टेक 105 और 102, 103 और ये करते जाएं। कब तक? जब तक कि LHS और RHS इक्वल नहीं हो जाता। और अनदर वे इज यू राइट दिस इक्वेशन, दिस इज 16t अपॉन पाई और नीचे टाउ m भी आ जाएगा एंड that is multiplied by d, so that is equal to d to the power 4 minus d to the power 4। ये इक्वेशन इस तरह से आएगी। so what you will do कि d to the power 4 minus small d to the power 4 minus 16t upon pi tau m into d, ये that is equal to 0। और इसको जो है वो यदि हम d कोई क्वांटिटी लें q स्क्वायर और उससे रख दें तो क्वाड्रेटिक में कन्वर्ट होगी और देन यू कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ d। और देयर इज वन मोर वे, एक तरीका और है कि दैट फैक्टर दैट इज di अपॉन do, मतलब इनर डायामीटर इज d, आउटर डायामीटर इज कैपिटल D, है ना, ये है फैक्टर। सो दैट कैपिटल D इज इक्वल टू d by k, ये। So what you will do कि just general observation कि जो आउटर डायामीटर है वो इनर, मतलब थिकनेस, कितनी थिकनेस, व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड थिकनेस, है ना, थिकनेस हमें कितनी लगेगी। सो वी कैन टेक दिस k विल स्टार्ट विथ k इज हाफ, मतलब 50% मोर की बात करें तो यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ k इक्वल टू 1/2, so that the outer diameter becomes 2 times the d. That empirically we can use in this case. If we are not able to solve, ये iteration नहीं हो रहा है, then you can use this value, or you can use k is equal to 0.4, k equal to 0.6. So that, and you have to specify, assume k, assuming this value. So इस तरीके से भी आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Or here, if we are not able to solve this, if we are able to solve this, then it's well and good. Otherwise, there is a empirical value, empirical relation for this. जैसे यहाँ पर हमने k को assume किया empirically, तो this also we can use. और ये हम जब यहाँ पे पुट करें तो इंस्टेड ऑफ, यहाँ से हमने d कैलकुलेट किया, यदि किए आउटर डायमीटर, सो यहाँ से you find out tau muff working. ठीक है? And for the safe design, this should always be less than or equal to tau muff allowable. यदि हम ये assume करते हैं ऐसा, तो d हमें मिल ही जाएगा. और we can also calculate d कैलकुलेट भी कर सकते हैं, k यहाँ पे रख. तो ये in that case tau working निकाल लो और उससे कंपेयर कर लो. That is permissible in this case, since the equation is not directly giving the value. तो हम ये इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? समझ में आया? सो अब अदर वैल्यूज, ये w और t कितना सिलेक्ट किया? w और t की क्या वैल्यू आई? क्रॉस सेक्शन
Sir, 22 and 14.
22 is the width and 14 is the thickness. Okay. Then length कितनी आई?
Sir, 143.
किसमें?
Sir,
From this relation or from this relation?
sir, from compression or crushing failure.
And what about the shearing failure? इसमें कितनी लेंथ है?
Sir, 80 megapascal for cast iron.
हाँ. एल, लेंथ ऑफ की बात कर रहा हूँ. We have to calculate L from this relation and from this relation, and higher of the length we'll have to take, and then check it with the muff length. Can anyone tell me the diameter of the bolt? Because I think we यहाँ पर directly जो है values put करनी है.
Uh, 22.71.
Okay. लेंथ ऑफ द की निकाल लो एंड चेक कर लो इन दोनों में से हायर कौन सी है।
सर
And-
क्रशिंग फेलियर वाली हायर है।
हायर कितनी 143।
यस सर।
ठीक है, now find out the hub length. So empirical relation is there. It should be greater than or equal to the hub length. So I think this relation से देखें तो it will be more than 230, 235. So that is the length of the key. ठीक है? So this is how you have to solve this type of problem. Please do solve the problems because this subject requires practice. This is a practical subject. So solve करिए and on Monday we have our practical class also. So Monday को I will check कि you have installed AutoCAD and doing the problems of drawing on AutoCAD. So that we'll check on the Monday. Monday को one by one I will check AutoCAD is installed on your computer. So you have time. If you not installed AutoCAD yet, then install it today or tomorrow. Monday को मैं चेक करूंगा आपका। और असेंबली जब हम ड्रॉ करेंगे तो आई विल चेक योर कि आप लोग कर रहे हैं उसको। ठीक है? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। प्रॉब्लम और सॉल्व करिए।